I really knew when this invitation came along that it would try me to my core in terms of any unresolved stuff I had around my own sexuality, and it really did do that. It was a calculated risk. I thought I've done my work pretty well, and things will come up, but I'm up for it. I can get through this, and it's true, things did come up, I did get through them. What surprised me, actually, and I say a word about it in the book, but what I wasn't prepared for was to fall into this pit of grief for the ways we've separated our spirituality and our sexuality, and all the pain that has caused and causes on individual and collective level. And what I found was a kind of mother bearish energy around wanting to do whatever's possible to make that better for our children, our children's children. It's for something so beautiful, so powerful, so wonderful, for such a gift. The reverse of it, its shadow side, is deep and ugly. And so there's something so important about bringing together our body, our spirit, our religion, our sexual practices, putting it all back together and knowing they belong together and it's okay. And so that's some of what got evoked for me in the writing and some of what came up.